Welcome to our comprehensive guide on top 10 credit score improvement tips. Your credit score is a critical aspect of your financial health, impacting your ability to secure loans, mortgages, credit cards, and even influencing insurance rates and job opportunities. In this detailed script, we will delve deep into the secrets of boosting your credit score, empowering you to take full control of your financial future. Whether you're just starting to build credit or looking to raise your score, these tips, when combined with a proactive approach, will prove invaluable. Number 1. Understand your current credit report. Understanding your current credit report is the pivotal first step in your journey to improving your credit score. Obtaining a free copy of your credit report from each of the major credit bureaus Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion provides a comprehensive view of your financial history. Scrutinize these reports meticulously for errors, discrepancies, or signs of fraudulent activity. Incorrect information can negatively impact your credit score, so any inaccuracies you discover should be disputed promptly to ensure your credit report accurately reflects your financial history. By rectifying these discrepancies, you're setting a strong foundation for a better credit score. Number 2. Pay bills on time, every time. Your payment history is a linchpin of your credit score, making it crucial to pay bills on time, every time. A consistent record of on-time payments demonstrates financial responsibility to creditors and helps to boost your credit score. To ensure timely payments, consider setting up automatic payments or reminders for due dates. These mechanisms prevent the unintentional missing of payments, which can have severe repercussions on your credit score. Moreover, paying bills punctually isn't only vital for your credit score, but also for maintaining a healthy financial life. It prevents late fees, penalties, and the accrual of high interest rates on credit cards, all of which can set you back financially. Number 3. Reduce credit card balances. Another pivotal factor in your credit score is your credit card balances and credit utilization rate. It's advisable to keep your credit card balances below 30% of your available credit. High balances relative to your credit limit can negatively impact your score. Paying down these balances should be a top priority in your credit score improvement journey. Reducing high balances, particularly on credit cards, can have a swift and positive effect on your credit score. However, remember that it's not only about reducing balances, but also about maintaining lower balances over time. Consistency in managing your credit card debt plays a significant role in elevating your credit score. Number 4. Tread cautiously when opening new accounts. While opening new credit accounts can provide you with additional financial flexibility, it's essential to tread cautiously. Each time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry is made on your credit report, which can lead to a temporary dip in your credit score. Therefore, it's advisable to apply for new credit only when necessary and when you're confident about your approval chances. Avoid applying for multiple new accounts in a short period, as this can signal to creditors that you're taking on more debt, which might be a red flag. Always consider the potential impact on your credit score before opening a new account, and be mindful of the responsibilities that come with new credit lines. Number 5. Maintain open old accounts. The length of your credit history significantly influences your credit score. Long-standing credit accounts reflect your ability to manage credit responsibly over time. Therefore, it's often wise to keep old credit accounts open, even if you no longer use them regularly. Closing old credit card accounts, especially those with a positive payment history, can inadvertently shorten your credit history, which can negatively affect your credit score. If you're concerned about the temptation to use old credit accounts unwisely, you can keep them open but not use them, or use them sparingly for small, manageable expenses. This strategy maintains a longer credit history, which can help bolster your credit score and improve your overall credit profile. Number 6. Diversify your credit mix. Diversifying your credit mix is a strategy that can positively influence your credit score. Lenders prefer to see that you can manage various types of credit responsibly. A mix of credit types, such as credit cards, installment loans, and retail accounts, demonstrates your ability to handle different financial responsibilities. To improve your credit score, consider diversifying your credit mix over time. For instance, if you primarily have credit card debt, adding an installment loan, like a personal loan or a car loan, can be beneficial if managed well. However, Be cautious about taking on new credit solely for the purpose of diversification. Any new credit should align with your financial goals and be manageable within your budget. Number 7. Leverage authorized user status. Leveraging authorized user status can be a savvy strategy for improving your credit score. When someone adds you as an authorized user on their credit card account, the account's positive payment history and credit utilization can potentially benefit your credit profile. This approach is particularly helpful for individuals with limited credit histories or those looking to boost their scores. However, it's crucial to collaborate with someone you trust and ensure that they have a strong credit history. Additionally, the account's payment history and credit utilization should be favorable, as any negative activity could harm your credit instead. While being an authorized user doesn't give you full control over the account, it can provide a valuable boost to your credit score over time. However, it's essential to be cautious when considering this strategy. Since you're not responsible for the account, any negative actions by the primary cardholder, such as late payments or high balances, can also affect your credit negatively. Therefore, it's crucial to have a clear understanding with the primary cardholder about how the account will be managed and to monitor your credit reports regularly to ensure that your credit is benefiting from this arrangement. Number 8. Utilize credit building tools strategically. Utilizing credit building tools strategically can be a game changer for individuals looking to boost their credit scores. These tools often include secured credit cards, credit builder loans, and even reputable credit repair services. Secured credit cards, for instance, allow you to deposit a specific amount as collateral, which becomes your credit limit. By using the card responsibly and making on-time payments, you demonstrate your creditworthiness, which gradually improves your credit score. Credit builder loans work similarly, where you make small monthly payments into a savings account, and once the loan is paid off, you receive the accumulated savings. These tools can be especially valuable for those with limited credit histories or past credit issues. However, it's essential to choose reputable providers and understand the terms and fees associated with these tools to maximize their benefits. Number 9. Maintain vigilance through regular monitoring. It's essential to remain vigilant about your credit health by monitoring it regularly. Take advantage of free credit monitoring services or consider subscribing to a dedicated credit monitoring service. Regularly reviewing your credit reports allows you to detect and address issues promptly, safeguarding your credit profile. 10. Seek professional assistance when needed. If you find yourself struggling to improve your credit score or dealing with complex credit issues, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Credit counseling agencies and financial advisors can provide expert guidance and personalized strategies tailored to your unique financial situation. Their expertise can be invaluable in your journey toward a healthier credit profile. Improving your credit score is a transformative journey that requires a combination of patience, discipline, and financial acumen. The rewards, however, are well worth the effort. By diligently following these top 10 credit score improvement tips and adopting a proactive approach to your financial well-being, you can take full control of your credit and unlock doors to better financial opportunities. Remember that positive changes in your credit score may take time, so stay committed to your financial goals and witness the gradual rise of your credit score over time. Your financial future is in your hands, and with these strategies, it's a future filled with possibilities and financial stability.